guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Miranda and thank you so much for stopping by to see this video. If you read the title, then you already know what I'm talking about in today's video. I am doing a review. This is actually the E.L.F Beauty Shield Magnetic Mask Kit. This is super cool. I just thought, wow, I did see Carly Bible test this out on her channel. But I'm super excited to try it. You guys, it's a magnet. It's really, from her video, it looks pretty cool. And I was like, oh, wow, I want to try that. But it does say that it's antioxidant powered. It's got carrot seed oil, sunflower seed oil, vitamin C, vitamin E, and argan oil. So it helps protect against environmental aggressors like pollutants, dust, and smoke. And it's formulated actually without parabens, sulfates, and alcohol. So that is very good. On the back of it, it just tells you how to use the mask. So it basically says with the scoop of the magnetic tool, apply mask to a clean face, avoiding the eyes, and leave on 5 to 10 minutes. So we're gonna open this bad boy up and we are going to see how it works. Also, you guys, I told you I'm like super big. Anybody who knows me, I'm super big on skincare. I picked these up. I was in Target. I was in Walmart earlier, and I picked these masks up. I love any kind of, I like sheet mask, but I think I like the gel mask a little bit more. But I don't know. So I'm always willing to try new masks and new anything that has to do with skincare. So this is by the brand By Nature, and is actually a lace hydro firm mask. It says ultra radiant face mask with skin plumping marine collagen, coenzyme Q10, and firming hyaluronic acid. So this is what it looks like, a 10-minute skin hydrator. So if you're dry, this will be good. Actually, I'm oily, but it's still good at night to hydrate your skin. So I love these at night, especially like if I've come home from work or if I've had like a long day or just been out doing things. I love ending the day with a mask of basically any kind. So these are, I'm excited to try this one. I've never tried this one in particular, so I'm really excited to try this out. I'm just starting the floor, Miranda. And then this other one is a Pore Perfect Bubble Detoxify and Revitalize. This right here, I've never used this either. This was at Walmart. They have like these cute little you know, like bins on the outside of like their makeup aisle. It says that it is a multitasking mask including Soleil's Ironic Charcoal Clay Bubble Mask and Revitalizing Mineral Enriched Pink Mud. Ooh, pink mud to help clear, restore, and detox for perfect pores. That was a mouthful. So it looks like there's two different ones. So that was the first one that I read. This is a rose mud mask, and the bottom one is a charcoal clay bubble mask, and this is a mud duo mask. So basically this one is what's it, the same thing, to perfect and detox pores, mineral enriched pink mud mask. So I don't know if you use this mud mask, pore care. So it does say that it is a mud mask and it is pore care and fragrance free. So, and Sue, I guess that's how you say it, you guys. I've never even heard of this brand, Sue. I don't know, but anyways, we're gonna jump right into this video. And I believe first I'm going to start out with, also guys, really quickly, as I said in my previous video, I think it was when I recreated the Kim K look, I like to use this Cetaphil moisturizing cream, and this is what I will do after, of course, I cleanse. And this right here is what I use to hydrate with. As far as this next product, it's not sponsored at all. This is totally my own opinions, and I know for a fact because this is what I've used. This has kind of been my holy grail. It's old school. I'm sure there is, well, I know that there is so many more skin products out there, but this is just what I use, and I had a subscription to it every month. And so like they send you like boxes every 3 months, and that is the Doctors Roden and Fields Proactive, and this is a 3-step treatment, you guys. Like, I know this is like old school, and they used to like put this on TV and stuff, and they probably still do advertisement maybe late at night on infomercials, but I swear by this. Some people, however, can't use it. My sister, she tried it. She has more her skin tends to break out a little more than mine, but I did recommend this to her, and she did use this, and it did make her red and splotchy. Like, it was too strong for her skin type, so she couldn't use this. So I'm not sure. I just know that this is what I use. This is what works for me. Like I said, it's old school. You guys probably already know. The first step is the cleanser, and it looks like this. And basically it is 2.5% of benzoyl peroxide, which is an acne, sorry my nose is like itching, which is an acne treatment gel. So the first step is the cleanser, and then step 2 is the tone. This is a revitalizing toner, and then the step 3 is like a lotion. It's a repairing treatment, and I put that on after steps 1 and 2. I put this on, and then after that dries, then I will go in with the Cetaphil moisturizing cream. So if you're ready to see this and see how this stuff works, then just keep watching. We are going to start out using the E.L.F magnetic mask. Again, this is what the packaging looks like. Super cool. It's like, I don't know, what is that? Metallic duochrome. So it doesn't have any directions inside of it. I did open it up yesterday. It doesn't have any directions inside. The directions are just on the back. And so it comes with, this right here must be, this is the E.L.F. Okay, this is the magnetic shield, obviously. This right here is the shield. Not the shield, but I don't know what it is. Beauty shield is what it says. It's the sponge. I mean, not a sponge. It's the thing. It's the magnet thingy bobber. And then this right here is magnetic enriched. Let's see, this is recharging magnetic mask. I hope this does not break my face out. It says, to remove mask, hover the magnetic tool over just above the surface of your skin and glide slowly. Discard magnetic cover after use. So there's covers. Oh, I was gonna say I don't have no covers. There they are. Oh, there they are. So they have magnetic covers. So I wonder if you need any water. My face is already clean. I already washed my face. We're just gonna go in. We're gonna open it up and we're just gonna do it. Ooh. Hold on a minute, I smell everything. Wait a second. I don't know, does that smell citrusy? Almost like an orange, that's what it looks like. I don't know guys, we're gonna see. I'm excited about it though. So it says to take the scoop side, with the scoop side of the magnetic tool, apply the mask. So this has to be the scoop side, right? Like the doohickey? All right guys, so we're gonna go in. Here it is. They don't give you a lot. You only get, let's see. Well, I don't know, you don't get a lot. Anyway, so, all right, let's do this. Well, I love the cooling effect, first off. Ooh. Oh. I'm gonna do this through the whole video. Oh. I like it. I love it. I want some more of it. Ooh, guys, it's very moussey and like clayish and charcoalish or something. I just want to take a brush or my finger. I just feel like I could get more if I feel like I'm wasting it. You know what I mean? Like, see all that? And I don't like to waste stuff now. I'm a mom. I don't like stuff when stuff is wasted. So I'm just gonna use my finger. Yeah, I like that better. It does feel smoother. It feels more, it feels more like whipped or velvety with your finger. Oh, okay. Okay, E.L.F. most of my face. Ooh, is it supposed to be Stan? Feels like it's getting hot. It feels like tingly around my nose. Around this area, like right here. I wonder why. Okay, it's on. We're gonna set the timer for 5 minutes. I'll be back in 5 minutes, y'all. All right, guys, I am back. It has been 5 minutes, and from what I see, it didn't dry like I thought it would dry. I thought it would like dry down, but it really, if you can see, I'll try to zoom in a little bit closer. See here, it still looks really wet. Yeah. Maybe I used too much, but I don't know. I don't know how I feel about it. It did, and it still does. It kind of burns around my nose, and I don't know why. I didn't exfoliate beforehand, so I'm not sure why it burns. It does have a citrus smell that's kind of weird. I think it has a citrusy smell. Anyways, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna take this mask off. So now I'm gonna take these little magnetic covers. It looks like these, and I guess I'm going to sleep it inside. I swear, I just want to make a video. That's all. You see? Can you guys see? Like that. And it just says to hover. To take the mask off, hover the magnetic tool just above the surface of your skin and glide slowly. So, y'all ready? Y'all ready for this? Lord, it used to be grade school songs. Okay, I guess I'm just gonna, I don't know. I'm scared. I'm afraid it's gonna like pull my skin. Ooh! It like sucked me in. You guys look. Oh my goodness. Wow. Ooh. 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 Oh. Oh, this is creepy. How do you do it? Look. Do you just keep... Oh! 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 Oh my God, look how neat. Get out of here. Look at this. What? What is that stuff? Oh my God. You guys, you have to feel this. Oh. Oh. No way. No way. Are you freaking joking? Look. You don't have to wash it off or nothing? Bull. Oh my God, my skin feels so good. Oh, wow. I don't want to wash it off, but I guess I'm gonna have to. Oh, it feels like freaking silk, yo. Oh my gosh. You don't have to like wipe this stuff off. It just keeps rubbing off. Holy smokes. I want to feel it. I need to know what this is. Look, now the mask don't even get on my fingers. Look. I need to know what this is. You guys. Oh, I just smudged the smear spot. You guys see any of this? I don't think I can get that piece right there, but hey, I'm not gonna complain. You guys. Holy smokes. Wow. You guys, look at this. It's all. It's all. Look at that. Look at this. Like, oh my God, do you guys see? Like, it only left like a little bit because I couldn't. Oh my goodness, what is it supposed to do? I forgot what it's supposed to do. Lift away impurities. Dual-sided magnetic. So is it on this side too? No. This is so neat, you guys, look. And then you just take this off and it's mess free. Oh my goodness. It won't even come off. Oh, I just dropped it in my water. Oh, is it gonna break it? Surely my water would mess it up. I have a bucket, not a bucket, a bowl of water. Oh, look. It won't come off. Look. Oh my goodness. There it is. That is so neat. I love it. I think I'm just more entertained by it than anything. But no, my skin, you guys. Let me wipe the rest of these off. Look how good it got off. It got everything off except for those few little spots. I like it. You guys, $25 at Target. Wow, my sister is gonna be like, what? Look, you guys, I know I keep showing you this, but I'm just like, oh my God. Totally worth it. E.L.F, you're amazing. Like, I love this. You guys, Target, Walmart somewhere, E.L.F.com, I don't know, but get it. If nothing else, for the thrill, like I just had. That's amazing. I want more. I want more. I'm gonna get more. I want more. Now I'm gonna go ahead and take the Cetaphil and I'm just gonna moisturize. I did wipe the excess off. This, oh wow, I want more of that too. I love this stuff. Love it. You guys always remember, always remember to take your makeup off before you go to bed. Please don't fall asleep in makeup. That is the worst thing you can do for your skin, is to fall asleep in makeup. Like, please, always take your makeup off. I can't stand that. Like, I keep like makeup wipes all over, but even after a makeup wipe, I will get up and use like cleanser, you know, my Proactive or something, to still get the dirties off, because even after I've used a makeup wipe and I just want to see like what's left on my face, you know, it can only do so much. It can only clean off so much, but really, like, if you use like an exfoliator to like get the dry and the dead skin off, and then moisturize and tone and moisturize and all that. So yeah, that's the key to healthy skin, is always clean your skin, clean your face, always. So anyway, you guys, this was super exciting. E.L.F, big thumbs up. Not that you ever see this video, but thumbs up on the E.L.F magnetic mask. That is pretty invigorating. So, alright guys, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, because I really love trying out new products, and this one was super fun. Again, if you can find this, pick it up. You won't be disappointed. And until next time, stay beautiful.